Okay, guys, it's Mario here. I heard a strange noise, and I think I'm pretty scared right now. But if you see anything, drop a like. So, I've been hearing weird stuff in my house, and that weird stuff has gone a long way. And it's been going on for about 6 months now. I don't know what it is, but it could be something. I don't know what it is, though. I'm going to kill you. Oh no. Crap. I'm dead, aren't I? Yep. Ow! Keep going. Keep beating him up. Stomp on him. Punch him in the face. Karate chop. Now we're going to keep going, guys. Slam him down. Okay. Guys, next thing we're going to do, tie his arms together. No. Scratch. Oh, my face. Oh, I can't show it. Ow. My eye. Ow. My eye. I don't know what to do. Oh, he hit me. Ow. Guys, please send help. This is so bad. I'm gonna try to beat him up. Let's go, come on. I know what I'm gonna use. Power of the helicopter. Helicopter. Hit him. Okay. He hit him with the helicopter. I'm gonna rip out his robot heart. Yeah. Okay, that's the end of this. Like for part 2. Bye. Actually, no, you don't have to like. I'm just gonna make it. Bye.